This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to add a tuft of fur to the end of a tail for your amigurumi project. At this point, you should have a completed tail that is fastened off, the opening is slip-stitched closed, and the yarn tail has been threaded through the work and exited through the magic ring, so it's ready to sew on at a later step. We'll be working into the slip stitches. How many there are will depend on the size of your tail. Create a slip knot on your hook. Identify the first slip stitch at the top of the tail and slip stitch into that stitch. Chain 6. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 6. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Repeat this process until you've made a chained loop in the last slip stitch of the tail. Fasten off and hide the starting yarn tail and the ending yarn tail inside the work. Your tail is now ready to be sewn on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified about my future videos. Thanks for watching!